Yeah, you've read that right, trio of flagships. There's a rumor going around that the Korean tech giant is planning to introduce 3 Galaxy S10 phones instead of the 2 it has been doing lately, one with a 6.44-inch screen, the Plus version, a standard model with 6.2-inch panel and an affordable version with smaller 5.8-inch display. To keep the price competitive, the affordable Galaxy S10 will come with a side-mounted fingerprint and a flat infinity display instead of a curved one on the 2 premium handsets, which are rumored to have an in-display fingerprint sensor. Our best guess is that Samsung is feeling the pressure from the affordable Chinese brands or just wants to conceal the price increase of the premium models. Wondering if the budget Galaxy S10 will benefit from the 3D face scanning tech as well, or it won't be skipping the iris scanner. In truth, the Galaxy S10, and, presumably, the S10 Plus, promise to be the most important Samsung releases in years, marking the 10th anniversary of the South Korean tech giant's flagship smartphone. The handsets will likely go up against 3 new iPhones from Apple that are expected to debut this fall, and the new Galaxies could be the first from Samsung to offer 3D face scanners. Of course, things very well could change dramatically in the coming months. Regardless, here's what we've heard about the Galaxy S10 so far. Outside of the requisite improvements to the phone's processor, the Galaxy S10 has been rumored to support faster RAM and storage modules than what is available in most handsets today. The story comes from Ice Universe, a well-known Samsung leaker, who says Samsung will begin producing UFS 3.0 chips this year. In the same breath, Ice Universe says they are looking forward to the Galaxy S10, suggesting that the company's next flagship will feature these components. The upshot of these additions is a phone that's snappier and more efficient. As for the RAM, faster read and write speeds will enable new content, like the recording of 8K and even slower motion videos. While Samsung may have missed the opportunity to be the first phone maker using in-display fingerprint scanning technology, that highly anticipated feature will finally make its way to the Galaxy S10, according to reports. One story, originally from Biz in May, alleges that Samsung has finally informed its suppliers that it will not deliver in-display fingerprint scanning with the Galaxy Note 9, in favor of launching it with the Galaxy S10. The company was reportedly undecided on whether to introduce the feature in its upcoming phabled, likely due late summer or early fall 2018. This may explain all the conflicting rumors that have emerged over the past several months about both phones' fingerprint sensors. The in-display scanner could be accompanied by a bold new technology that transmits audio through vibrations in the phone's glass panel. This comes by way of Korea's ET News, which claims Samsung may rely on this system to replace the Galaxy S10's front-facing speaker if the company incorporates a truly all-screen design. However, the phone could still feature a conventional second speaker along the bottom of the frame. In a move that could inform what happens in the Galaxy S10, Samsung in February announced that it had invested $5.6 billion in a new factory to build 7nm chipsets. Not only would that allow for a smaller chip, but it would also pave the way for the company to make a variety of design changes with the extra room it'll have inside the handset. Samsung has been criticized for not developing a 3D face scanner to compete with the Face ID in Apple's iPhone X. But a report from the investor says that Samsung has partnered with 3D camera firm Mantis Vision to finally get a 3D scanner into the Galaxy S10. Huawei's P20 Pro introduced us to the concept of 3 rear cameras this year, with the extra lens helping produce better shots in low light. Samsung reportedly is eyeing a triple lens setup for its next Galaxy phone, with KB Securities analyst Kim Dong-won publishing a research note that says the S10 will have 3 cameras on the rear. Apple is reportedly looking at adding the feature to its phones, possibly as soon as this fall to get the jump on the S10. Samsung is said to be working on a foldable smartphone that could be known as the Galaxy X. And although that won't infringe on the company's Galaxy S schedule, it could cause a naming problem. After all, if one smartphone is called the Galaxy X, naming another phone the Galaxy S10 might cause confusion. It's too soon to predict the exact release date for the Galaxy S10, but if history is any guide, Samsung will likely stick to a similar timetable in 2019 as in other years. That means you should expect to see the new handset announced at next year's Mobile World Congress show, which gets underway February 25th. If Samsung follows a similar pattern for the S10 as did for the S9, the new phone would hit shelves by the middle of March 2019. However, It's possible that the S10 won't be the first premium phone Samsung introduces next year. Serial leaker Ice Universe says that Samsung could unveil its foldable Galaxy X phone at CES 2019 in January.